Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Novus. It is Friday. It is March 7th. And hello, everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to do a quick follow-up to my interview with George Donnelly yesterday. He is with BitcoinCash site, and he's down in Medellin, Colombia. We had a great conversation yesterday. Please check out the video. I think you'll find some great information there. But essentially, he is trying to promote Bitcoin Cash and the adoption of that. So I wanted to do a little bit of follow-up with it since Bitcoin Cash has had a pretty successful week. I kind of want to talk quickly about what is happening with it. So here is a article from Cointelegraph, which talks about the fact that Bitcoin Cash has jumped about 68%. And we'll take a closer look at the prices here in a second. But there are a few things that are happening with the coin and the project that I think is noteworthy. The first thing, from market capitalization, it is back in the top 10 rankings. It actually had dropped out of top 10. I don't remember exactly how low it got. I want to say it dropped down to around, 13, 14, somewhere around in that range. But it's back up in the top 10. And we'll take a quick look at that too as well. It was hovering around the $1,000 range. It actually got as high as 1,600. This article is indicating 1,400. And they're talking that part of the reason why this is occurring is I think there's two reasons. One is what we're going to read here in the article. But the second I think is happening is with Bitcoin kind of stalling out and not really, getting above 65,000 and staying actually below 60,000, I think the other digital money projects are seeing increases. In fact, I've been looking at that and watching it. Litecoin is about ready to get back up to its original all-time high back in 2018. It's hovering around $351, $55 right now. And other digital money projects have increased. And so I think that's part of what's happening right now. So, but in this article, Bitcoin Cash is making some technical improvements. So this section right here of the article talks about on May 15th, which is only about 8 days away, that the biannual hard fork for Bitcoin Cash is going to occur. And this is pretty significant from a technical perspective. And what we're looking at here is that the blocks are mined every 10 minutes in Bitcoin Cash, and the unconfirmed chain limit is capped at 50 transactions. And this allowed for high volume applications. So what they're looking to do is this cap will be removed entirely in the upcoming hard fork. So that obviously that allows for more volume of transaction. It says the other major change scheduled for the 15th will see the introduction of multiple outputs. To put it simply, Bitcoin Cash blockchain currently allows for the insertion of miscellaneous data transactions, such as text messages, images, and other data types. At present, only one op return output can be included in a transaction. And so this again is an upgrade. The upcoming network upgrade will allow for multiple pieces of miscellaneous data to be included in a single transaction. Says both changes feasibly open up Bitcoin Cash to higher volume and uses to make it more amicable to current popular applications such as non-fungible tokens. So this is a good technical improvement. It's going to help with adoption, and I think that's the key statement that I want to point out. So let's just take a quick look at price. I mean, here's the TradingView price action chart. We can see that Bitcoin Cash started at just over $1,000 the 1st of May. Here we are 7 days later. It is hovering at $1,361, but it had wicked up as high as over $1,600. And that's really a big improvement. I remember back in August of last year, or August, September, Bitcoin Cash was sitting around $231 or $250, somewhere around there. So it has definitely seen a lot of improvement. We can take a look at the trading volume areas. I mean, clearly 922 was a strong area where a lot of volume was happening. That's the horizontal line. As soon as it broke past basically 1,068, volume really shrunk down. it has picked up at this range at the 1434 level. And so right now I'm going to change it to the 1 hour chart because you'll be able to see it a lot clearer there. So here we are. So right now we're sitting at 1360. A lot of trading volume at the 1427 level, but once it gets past 1500, it really drops significantly, and there's nothing above the 1600 level. So this is all, I think, very positive and good news. We can see that it's hugging right now the 20 EMA. It's obviously dropped below it. And it seems to be bottoming out right here in terms of wicks and solid candles at about 1368. So we'll just need to kind of watch it for those of you that are into Bitcoin Cash and have some positions in that. Here, I just want to take a quick look at the coin market cap chart and take a look at Bitcoin Cash. In terms of its ranking, number 9, obviously market cap is 25.9 billion, just below Polkadot, which is at 39, and Cardano's at 7. I will have to say that, and it's right above Litecoin, which is sitting at 23.5. To kind of close this out, I would highly recommend those of you that are interested in Bitcoin Cash, please go to their site, take a look at the information that's on here. There's a lot of great information explaining what Bitcoin Cash is, the various wallets that carry it, or that can be used with it. These are great explanations, and then it talks a bit about the history of Bitcoin Cash, the fork, of course, from Bitcoin, and then just the various nodes and services, and just the companies that are working with Bitcoin Cash and using Bitcoin Cash and providing it to retail users. So that is all that I have for the day. Just want to keep it quick and simple. Again, just celebrating the fact that the altcoin segment of the market is moving up. It's having some great activity, and I'll keep reporting on other coins as things develop. You guys have a great Friday. Blessings. Remember, this is Crypto Novus, where newbies become masters, and my name is Chris Brown. Have a great day. Bye.